Hello, welcome to lesson 15 of the Hebrew course. This lesson is about exercise 13 on the hifil and the hofal conjugations. So we've seen 5 conjugations up until now: kal, nifal, piel, pual and hitpael. Now we will see the remaining 2 conjugations, hifil and hofal. Hifil is active, hofal is the passive to hifil. Just like pual, incidentally, hofal is used very little. And hifil is a causative conjugation. We saw that piel in some cases is causative. Hifil much more often has the causative meaning. So look at sentence 1, please. Kol esev hasadeh terem yitzmach ki lo himtir Yahweh Elohim al haaretz. All the plants of the steppe, that is actually none of the plants of the steppe had yet sprouted, for Yahweh God had not let it rain on the earth. Yitzmach, the 5th word, is a regular imperfect, had sprouted. Himtir is to rain, to let it rain. That is the root matar, meaning rain actually. In the hifil, causative, make it to rain, let it rain. Himtir. Hifil is himtir, as we've said. The name of the conjugation indicates what it looks like in the perfect third masculine singular. So hifil would be something with hi, which it is here, himtir. 2. Vayashken mikedem legan eden et hakruvim. And he let dwell east of the Garden of Eden the cherubs. He let dwell, the first word of the sentence, vayashken, is a consecutive imperfect in the hifil, vayashken. Hifil imperfect is characterized by the a in the prefix. Yashken. Sentence 3. Hine anivone bait leshem Yahweh Elohai lehakdish lo lehaktir lefanav ketoret samim. Behold, I am building a temple, a house or a temple, for the name, or meaning for the Lord my God Elohai, lehakdish, in order to consecrate it to Him, and to make smoke offerings of spices in front of Him. So here we have a couple of hifils. Le hakdish, meaning to make holy or to consecrate. Kadesh is to be holy. Hakdish, hikdish, so on in the hifil, is to make holy or consecrate. Le haktir, again, the root is something with incense offering. So in the hifil it means to make an incense offering, and that's it. Sentence 4. Vayavdel Elohim ben haor uven hachoshech. And God made a separation between the light and between the darkness. Vayavdel, first word, is a hifil imperfect, and actually a consecutive imperfect with the va in front. Made a separation. Again, the hifil imperfect is characterized by the vowel a in the prefix. Vayavdel. 5. Amar Elohim tadshe ha'eretz deshe ve'esev mazriya zera. God said, let the earth bring forth green stuff and plants producing seeds. Tadshe, the third word, is a hifil short imperfect. See, remember that the short imperfect is put in the beginning of a sentence. Well, that's what it is here. Amar Elohim is one sentence. Then comes a new sentence, Tadshe ha'aretz. The earth should bring forth, and so the short imperfect is always in the beginning of the sentence, and has a meaning of has volitive meaning, has meaning of something that should be done. And plants producing seeds. Producing seeds, mazria, zera. So zera, of course, is seed. In the hifil, it's to produce seeds. Mazria is the participle hifil mazria. The E is there to indicate hifil between the last two root consonants. And the mim indicates participle. Remember that I said that all consonants, so all conjugations except for the first two, have participles that start with a mim. Sentence 6. Al taster panecha mimeni. Do not hide your face from me. Al taster is the again a short imperfect. The short imperfect is always negated by al, and al cannot negate anything but the short imperfect. And again, they have to be in the beginning of a sentence, and so they are. Taster, you recognize the imperfect in the hifil by the a in the prefix. Ta. Do not hide your face from me. Note how the preposition min is doubled when it's in front of most suffixes. It's not just mini usually, it's min mini. Min mini, which is then changed into mi many. 7. Hovka'a ha'ir. Hovka'a is a hofal perfect. Was cleaved, actually, was conquered. The city was conquered. City is feminine, so we have the feminine verb here, was conquered. Perfect, hofal, third feminine singular. Hofal often has an o in the prefix, but again, the hofal is quite rare. Few percent of the verbal forms in the Hebrew Bible are hofal, and a few percent are apuel. The rest are the 5 more common conjugations: kal, nifal, piel, hifil, and hitpael. Okay, so sentence 8. Hine nevela mushlechet baderech. Behold, a body was placed or thrown on the road. In the road. Was thrown or laid is mushlechet, the third word. That is a hofal participle in the feminine, mushlechet. So the feminine ending a is sometimes used with participles, but more often with participles we get the feminine ending et. That's general for participles, and that's what we have here. 9. Ve'ata hishav ali belohim hena im tishkoli. And now swear to me by God here that you do not lie to me. Now is now. Hishav'a is the actually the nifal imperative, long imperative. Remember that imperatives can in the masculine singular can be lengthened by an a. Well, that's what happens here. Hishav'a. So nifal is recognizable by the lengthened first consonant there, shin, and the prefix is actually borrowed from hifil. Hishav'a is still nifal, but the prefix hi is actually borrowed from hifil at an early stage. So, swear to me by God here. Im tishkor. Im means if, but it can also be a strong negation that you do not lie to me. Tishkorli is a regular kal imperfect, o imperfect. 10. Hashvu'a asher hishbata otanu. The oath which you made us swear. Make us swear. So shava is something to do with oath, the root shava. Nishba is to swear for oneself in the nifal, and in the hifil is to make someone swear. Hishbata, hifil perfect indicated by hi in the beginning. You made us swear. Hishbata otanu. And that's it for this lesson. Thank you.